Yo, happy Saturday, guys. Happy weekend. All right, let me hope you guys are doing good. Let me hope it's great. Yep. So, as the title says, deploying Spring Boot application is not easy, bro, at all. It's not as easy as people make it out to be. So today we're just going to be dealing with deployment. Let me just go here real quick. Oh my goodness, my shit. Put this here. Okay. Okay, what's with the you reach the checkpoint? Yeah, it's easy, bro. Deploy it as AWS function. Nah, bro. It's not as easy as you make it out to be, dog. What's going on with all this? Oh my god. Okay. It's not as easy though. It might be easy to you because you have some experience, but for me, it's like, it's not. Um. Okay. All right. Let's see what's good. What do you use? What do you deploy on AWS? AWS is expensive, but I don't have that. I don't have that money just laying around that I can just throw at AWS. You get it, my G? I don't have that excess money, bro. Yo, Nietzsche was good. Was good. What is free, man? Who said AWS is free? Who said AWS is free, bro? Somebody should educate you guys. AWS is not free at all. Nothing is free, bro. You just wait till you start like piling up. Hold on. Wait till you start getting like 2 or 3 users, and then you'll be like, "Yo, what happened?" Okay. So yesterday, bro, we left off earlier because, bro, I couldn't stand the fact that I was stressing, man. You get it? But now I'm good. I'm all in good moods. Today's a weekend, right? Happy weekend to all of you guys. We've been going crazy like throughout the entire week. I think we have. Let me just keep the .env open for now. Okay. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness. Okay. All right. So it's cool. Somebody's saying, "Sub Unk, will AI take over backend also?" Nah. AI cannot. Like that's the safest. Let me tell you, bro. The safest way to go now is just being a backend dev, bro. That's the safest way. Otherwise, you're gonna get replaced. All right. So as you can see, we have a migration schema here, which is fine. Let's look at what do we have here. New update database configuration found connected in the IDE using SQL completion. Can we just connect to the database? Let me see. I don't want to connect to this database, so I'm gonna leave this out. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to connect to. Matter of fact, let me go outside. I'm trying to connect to the Neon, but bro, I've been having issues, a lot of difficulties with Neon DB. I don't know if it's just me, bro. Something just doesn't sit right with Neon DB. All right, let's go back to our .env here. Let's see what's happening. So this is actually supposed to be data source. Data source URL. Okay, data source URL here, data source user. Yeah, let's just keep it as data source user because we are dealing with data source, right? Also here we're gonna have data source password. Let's copy this. Oh my goodness. Okay, password. All right, so what are we left with? We have the app admin email, which is this, the password, and this, and then yeah, JWT. I think we are good to go. By the way, boys, the front end is deployed. Yay! The front end is deployed on Vercel. Okay, we have the front end. It's here. It's highly deployed. It's only waiting for the backend, right, and the database. So we're gonna host it shortly after finishing. I mean, the front end is done. We're just gonna host now the backend and the database. Then we call it a day. You feel me? That's the only thing we're gonna be doing today. So I'm just those should be environment variables. No, yeah, they're environment variables. You're right. You're right. But there's a way you have to export them, right? For Mac, like not Mac, just like for Springboot, I don't know. You have to export these variables. So I have to just go and export them. Now let me just drop them here. Then I can have matter of fact, let me cut this. Let me leave them out. Let me leave them out for now. that was crazy. Okay, let's open text edit. I just need to edit this text document real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna drop these ones here, and then I'm going to go ahead and okay, why does it look like this? Okay, this is the username. Which one is the password? Okay, so this is the username, NeonDB. All right. Okay, that is the user, and then this is the password, and from here up to here it's the host URL, which is the host name or whatever. Okay, so that's how we're gonna keep it, right? For this one we just need to highlight this, and then just up to here put this. Okay, my bad, I need to grab this. Bro, why can't I edit this, bro? What's going on? Cut. Okay, now add this, press this here and close it. Okay, the same applies to this as well. Close it. Now X this and then open, close. Okay, this is something we're gonna do here. Press this, close. All right, then lastly we're just gonna come here. I think we're gonna write export, right? I don't know if it's export like this, or maybe export with capital. I don't think export has to be capital. I'm just gonna keep it like this, and the same applies to this as well. Export, and then also want to export this. Alright, let's go back to our Spring Boot. Let's go ahead and paste this. Oh god, what's going on? No match is found. What's the problem? Which one are we exporting? Data source. Okay, we're exporting this. Alright, and then we also exporting the user and the password, right? I don't know why it's not exporting. Why is it not exporting these three? Because first we have the production YAML, we have the development YAML, and we have the regular application YAML, and yeah. Okay, maybe lowercase. What should be lowercase? I don't know. This is the thing that annoys me. So let's just ask AI real quick. I like to just make my work easier, bro. Let's open Cloud Code. Oh, Google Gemini. Matter of fact, Gemini 3. Right? Let's just open Gemini. I feel like Gemini is good at these things like this, so I want to use this. I want to export my .envs of Spring Boot. Okay. Yo man, what's good, bro? What's poppin'? How are you doing? Examining variable setup, crafting the correct commands. Okay, let's just do it real quick. Okay. This is for Linux. Bash or Z. Okay, this is what we need to do. Export. Copy and paste this block. What did we do? You are using smart codes which terminals don't recognize. You must use. Oh, okay. Then the next thing, to verify the asset, run echo data source URL. All right. Let me just dump this. Oh yeah. That's it. I can see. So if we now run echo and then we echo the data source URL, let's echo the data source. Let's echo the data source URL. Yep, it's set, right? It's set, right? My boys. Okay, let's try the next one. Make sure we have them user. Good. I think we all we have them exported, right? So what's the next thing we have to do? All right, so the next thing we have to do, let's make sure we can run this maven and mvm or mvm. We make sure we're in production environment. Let's try to send it through, see how it goes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we have some issues. You know what, boys? I'm gonna say to hell with Neon DB, because for some reason I cannot access it. I don't know why. I just don't know why Neon is not working. Right? I'm gonna have to change Neon DB, bruh. I'm gonna have to change Neon DB. I don't know why it's just not showing. It's annoying me now. You get it? What's the issue? Let's see. Production. Let's try to run it one time. Okay, terminal deprecated method unsafe has been called. That's not our problem. Are we building anything? Okay, our application has failed, I think. I think it has crashed. Okay, what's the problem? Can we try to read the error message? Build failure. To see the full stack trace of the errors, rerun Maven with. Okay, boys, I think let me try to build this. Let's say right dot Maven web. I think that's the name. Then we can have clean package. See what's gonna happen. Hopefully we're not gonna have any issues. Yeah, Jesus Christ. God, what's the problem? I should try to ping this this connection string with PSQL. Oh wait, this was PSQL. Can we just have a connection string? Well, this is a connection string, right? I was literally just using PSQL, which is trash. We can use even Java. Java is here, my boys. Java is here. We can just copy this, right? Okay, then why am I wasting my time? We got the one for Java, bro. Remove this. Oh my goodness. We got the one for Java. Now the only thing we have to do, we make sure we have the password. Alright, we have the password, user, it's there. Yes. I think that's it though. Like if we're using the one for Java, I doubt if we have to do all this extra stuff. I really highly doubt. Let me see if the password is the same. The password kind of looks the same. We have npg, the last one is F, right? SC. Password npg, the last one is F. Yeah. Wait, let me put on my glasses, bro. Let me put on my glasses. My eyes are starting to hurt from this light. Let me go in Jet Li mode, man. I'm in Jet Li mode, bro. Stop playing with me. Alright, let's try it one more time. We're gonna say Maven mvnw. We have Spring Boot run. We need to run the production environment. Let's see how it works. Oh god, it should work. It has failed, man. I need to export it again. Alright, this time I'll just export the data source URL, right? That's the only thing we have to worry about this time. So let's just export the data source URL. Should we export all of them? I think, right? No problem. Oh no. I need to just export only one, right? Export this, export, and then I need to just grab this entire thing here. Okay, bro, how do I select this entire stuff? Okay, just like this. Okay, I think that's the last one. Let's drop it here and let's click. Is it done? Oh yeah, no. Press this. Export data source URL, and then we can just, oh my god, boys, I can't believe, bro, what, I cannot select this. What's going on with this terminal? Oh, I cannot edit it within here, right? Fine. Let's just pass it to AI here and see. Okay, we just have the Java. Neon DB gave us the Java connection. I think we should just take the connection string, bro, rather than worrying about the Java connection string. But since we have the language, why can't we just use it, right? Because if we get the connection string, will just give us this. But for Java, it is very specific. Not Alchemy, man. I mean Java is very specific, right? So we might as well just use it. So let's go back to Gemini. Let's see. I'm just gonna say NeonDB gave us this Java connection. So do we still need to export this as well? Okay, let's see. Which AI do you guys use for like teaching you guys yourselves how to code? Which AI? My favorite is currently Cloud Code, right? I mean Claude itself, the AI thing. Cloud Code is almost like a studio for like coding and stuff, right? I mean, studio is a CLI, I think. All right, let's see. But this takes long, bro. The short answer: if you use long Java string provided by Neon, which includes you don't need to export user and database driver will read the credential directly from the URL. However, you do still need to export all the other variables you listed. Here's the clean consolidated export block for your terminal. Okay, so this is the entire thing. Alright, let's just go ahead and do that, and then we can update our application properties. Since you're putting the credentials inside the URL, you must ensure Spring Boot reflects this. I don't know about that. I have no idea about that. Let me see how Spring Boot is gonna handle that. Just give me a sec. let's export this entire thing. Okay, everything is exported. Now I need to pass my three. Okay, we have this first one. All right, let's pass it here. We have the base, and then this is the dev. Okay, let's go ahead up here and say, how can we do that? How can we do that? Okay, this one is for base application YAML. Okay, that's for the base application YAML. This is for dev application YAML, and let's pass in the one for production. Also, it's good as explaining concepts, but for coding, as complexity increases, I use Cloud mostly. You're right on that. Like, you know, the funniest part, right? The funniest part is having to twist you round and round and round around the same wrong answer. That's so annoying. This is for for prod. So, work me. Matter of fact, I think I already know what to do, but I needed to just draw the clarification. Boys, they don't really suck if you know what you're doing. You're right. You see AI generally, like most of the models that are out there, they're already like good enough. But there are some that are like quality, you know, especially Claude is like is unbeatable. I don't care. And I heard of a new Chinese. I don't know if you guys heard of that. It's called Kimi, I think. Kimi AI, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's almost like I heard that it's open source and it beats ChatGPT and everything. I don't know if that's true. We shall have to try it also. I'd love to try this AI models, man. This is a classic Spring Boot setup using profiles. You have 3 distinct configurations. The base setting shared by everyone. Dev, your local machine, local host hard-coded passwords. Prod, the cloud. Neon DB environment variables. To make this work cleanly, you should split this into 3 separate files in your folder. Keeps common settings. Okay, I think I have this one. Oh, then by default, we should specify that the default one is dev. And then your local environment uses hard-coded. Okay, this is for the dev. My girl is calling. My wife is calling. Yo, my baby, what's up?
Bro, the way I was knocking your door,
What?
I was at your house, bro. My phone went off. I'm like, I wasn't sure if power was there, right? Because everywhere power went off. I'm like, let me pass at your house. I went at your house, bro.
Power was off too. Power was off. It just came. I even started streaming too, just of recent.
Oh, okay.
But I thought, oh my, I was even actually just sleeping. I thought somebody opened the door because I heard it. It's not like I heard somebody knocking. But bro, I don't know how you just come through without letting me know.
I said my phone went off. I was just trying to come there and just say, hey, how are you?
Damn.
To see if I can charge my phone.
Sorry. That's crazy.
Yeah, thank God the rain didn't catch me though.
Oh my God, bro. I don't know if I was gonna forgive myself.
Yeah, you know I have my PC with me also.
Oh my God, that's wild, bro. Shit. Alright, no problem, man. Apologies though.
That's cool.
It's all good. I'm on stream right now, and I just wanted to. You remember I was calling you, right? Yeah, I wanted to let you know about it. You know.
So, no problem.
About to get to the grind. If anything, we shall talk when I'm done. Alright.
No problem.
Alright, stay safe. Did you eat?
Nah, yeah, just go home.
Alright.
My phone is only at 8. I just plug it.
You gotta charge it though.
Yeah.
Alright, it's all good, baby girl. Love you. See you later.
Okay, love you.
Alright. Boys. What are you? Why is my boy leaving some question marks and shit? Um, let's see. Bruh, you guys are funny. Let's your local environment uses the hard coded. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Drop, that's okay. That's okay. We're okay there. A unified naming, see the note below. Oh, this is fine. This is fine. I don't mind using that. Production, this reads the exports you did in your terminal. Note, I changed this to data source to match the export. Okay. Since credentials are in the URL, we don't strictly need this. But if your code requires them, uncomment the lines below and export them. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna pick what Gemini has given me. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not gonna lead us into some temptation. All right, let's go ahead and pick this. So for the dev, right, as you can see, for the dev, we are using the hard-coded URL, and we're also enabling Docker Compose. But in production, we're not gonna need Docker Compose. Okay, this is fine. I'm okay with that. Yeah, this is fine as well. But what's going on here? What's really going on here? Cannot resolve configure this. What was that before? Okay, it was front end dev URL, and yeah, it's front end dev URL, bro. Let's keep it like that, my boy. Front end dev URL. What the hell is going on? Oh, actually, it's not the issue. It's just, wait, what's the problem? No, this is not part of this. This is not part of that. It should be by itself, right? Oh my goodness. This is one thing that I hate for sure. Like, this is why I would rather use properties. You didn't play No, I did not, bro. I don't play games like that, bro. I'm locked in, man. I don't play games like that for real. Oh, goodness. What's the difference between this code and what AI gave us? I think it's just the same, right? Enables false and what else? I don't know why there's an issue here. I'm just gonna leave it like this, boys. Wait, I think we need JWT here. Oh, we already have them here, so we don't really need them here. But what is this? God. Okay, let me just I unified the naming. See the note below. What did you unify, bro? What are you talking about, AI? No problem. Let's just replace this. Let's go to production and let's try to replace this. So this is front-end URL. I don't think this should be okay like that, the way it is. Try to run it and see the error. I will. Just, I want to make sure it's not deviating very far from our code that's already working. I mean, that is semi-working. Okay, true, they don't suck if you know what you're doing, but you can give it a clean code and just see the mess it creates, adding unnecessary stuff and breaking your code. Nothing better like reading docs. For real, man, for real. But here's the thing though, my brother. There is something, the difference between what I do on stream versus what I do off stream. Now, when I'm streaming, the last thing I want to do is bore you guys with, searching for these we on like docs and doing this. You get it? We want this to be like as consumable as possible. And off stream, obviously, I do read docs and all that. But yeah, that's the only difference, my brother. But you have a good idea actually. Okay, this is everything. The active profile. I don't think this should be like this. I really don't think, man. So let's see. This is a front-end production URL. Okay, that is fine. What we are going to be using it here, front-end production URL. Is it the same here? Okay, prod URL, yes. And for this, we are just gonna hard code it, right? So rather than keeping it as this, resolve configuration. What's the problem actually? Let me just let me try to do it like this, boys. Let me say front end. Wait, let me remove this. Okay, now let me just come here and okay, let me try to write front end dev URL. Oh god. God, bro, I'm having issues with this stupid shit. It's giving me issues after issues after issues, and I don't understand what the hell is wrong with this. This is working, then why is it not working when I type it out? Frontend dev URL. Oh god, I'm just gonna keep it the way it is, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's look at the web config. Let's first see that for a minute. Not this one, God. Let's look at the web config. Here we are using our frontend dev URL, and we're also using this here. Okay. What should I do about this error, dog? So I can see, okay, fine. I'm going to leave it the way this AI gave us. And if it creates any problems, we are going to go back to AI. Hey, you've caused a problem. You've broken our code, right? Without having to waste time like this. It's okay. Docker, this is the production. I think we did copy that. Okay, we did copy it. That is it, right? Now after that, we need to export the data source, and then we can run the production. Simple cleanup tip: in your code you have in one file and front-end prod in the other. Standardize both to use update this, and then we're just gonna use this. Okay, yes. So let's go back here to this, and we just replace it with this, right? Then we can just standardize it here, and due to, if it's the front-end URL, it will consider the front-end URL. So you can see no more errors again. Deployment tricky, man, the most stressful. Yesterday I ended the stream on a rage. I was raging yesterday. I ended the stream with annoyance yesterday, dog. I couldn't stand the entire thing yesterday. So yeah, thank God, at least today I'm in good mood, man. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and export this and then try to run it and see what's gonna happen. So I've exported it and I tried running it. Let's see what's happening. So now we failed, and I know the reason why we failed, right? It's because of the how do I call it? It's because of the connection string thing. There was something wrong with it, but let's see. So we have errors. Break them down like a senior Java dev, and pick out what the issue is, and let's fix it together. Okay, let's see. My God, this is a classic database connection failure scenario. I can tell you that the core issue is preventing the application from initializing data JPA repository, which is in turn causing the JWT auth filter bin to fail. Here's a breakdown. The stack trace clearly points to the database connection failing during the initialization of flyway. The primary fatal error, the real problem, look at the bottom of the stack trace, caused by, is actually caused by flyway, and through an exception, unable to obtain connection from database, the connection attempt failed. Okay, so they actually, now I understand how it's picking up the issues, right? What this means, when Spring Boot tried to initialize Flyway initializer, which runs before JPA starts, as enabled in your application prod YAML, it could not establish connection to Postgres database using the data source you exported. The specific symptom or during this whatever. Now, okay, how do we fix it now? The connection failure is highly likely due to misconfiguration in the data source URL you exported specifically regarding SSL. Re-verify the neon connection string when you exported this. The connection string must be absolutely correct. The error suggests one of the following: missing port. The standard neon URL often uses a pooler, but you must ensure the port is included. It's common, but check your specific neon URL. Incorrect SSL parameter. Now, based on the URL you provided previously, the issue is likely the way the driver handles the URL parameters or a typo in the key. So let's go to neon and try to copy this entire snippet. So we picked the one for Java, but we could actually pick the connection string. I think it's better we pick connection string and then we can create the one for Java out of it, or we just pick for Java directly. I don't know. Okay, so let me copy that snippet and we'll go back to this Gemini. Let's say here is the Java connection string given by neon, but it also has various other connection methods like PSQL and connection string direct. Which one should I handle? Should I give you? I was using Gemini API for an AI chatbot recommendation. It works at localhost but fails at production. Try it out possible solutions and that worked. Bruh, sometimes this is why I can, bruh, I'm telling you, if you check my computer, I have so many projects like this. All of them are undeployed because of things like this, bruh. I don't know. I can handle the most complex tasks, but when it comes to things like this, it just annoys me, bruh. That's a great question. For connecting your Spring Boot application, the best format to give is the one that minimizes errors when running inside the Java virtual machine. The direct JDBC URL, exactly as Neon provides. The issue you are running into was almost certainly a formatting or environment variables issues, not an issue with an underlying connection string. Best choice for Spring Boot, please stick with the JDBC, that one. Why this connection is the best, I think we don't have to worry about all that. Now that we have confirmed the correct this, let's use the database connection failure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Export the standardized variables. Please rerun your export using the following pattern. This isolates the sensitive parts and makes the Spring Boot's polar happier. Okay. Let's go back and let's clear this out. Press this and let's see. Okay, I think that's okay. Then the next thing we can do, now we need to update our production YAML. So we need to just add this database. Okay, data source, not the database actually. Data source URL, and then we separate the credentials, right? just like this. URL without credentials, but with SSL params. All right, so let's just pick this entire thing here up to password. So how far with that application now, my boy? How far with this? I'm very curious, bro. I want to know. I thought I was the only one, bro. Like, as soon as something gives me hard time, I just shove it under the bus. Yesterday, towards the end of the stream, I was so angry, you guys. I was so annoyed, bro. Okay, let's now try it one more time and let's see what happens. SpringBoot. God, it has failed again. It has failed again, bro. It has failed again. I did everything. It has failed. Got the same core again, which is good because it tells us the problem is consistent and localized. We tried one URL. The problem is still a database connection failure due to authentication handshake or whatever. Okay, SSL and this. So what do we have again? Still present. So let's now go back here and try to, let's see, let's give it what we have. Oh God. Oh, all other exports. Also, I'm supposed to include them. I mean, include this within the exports too. Bro, what's going on with AI? Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We can run the application just after. If this fails, I'm gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. Like give up. I'm gonna try another database just because this can. Yeah. Nah, I'm done with Neon. I'm not gonna use Neon DB. It's okay. It's okay, bro. For some reason, this is just stupid, man. I'm not gonna do that. Let's just go and delete this database. I don't think this should be this hard, man. Alright, I don't want to use this database no more. I'm gonna delete this bitch. Okay, I'm just gonna go to render and try to create a new. Let's go to production, create a new service. Let's just use this Postgres. Nah, bro, it's so annoying. I can't lie to you, bro. This is a filthy what? Filthy blog DB. I'm so annoyed, man. That is so stupid. Okay, database. This will all be randomly generated. Alright, free tier, bro. Wait, don't charge me for none, dog. Alright, just creating our database using using render. We're gonna use render now. I think render's gonna work. So this is okay, bro. I don't want to stress anymore with the. We're gonna try out the new AI, my boys. This Kimi AI. We're gonna try it out. AWS account and get $200 credits. Who said you get $200 credit? Who gave you that idea, bro? That person lied to you. That person lied to you, bro. You're not gonna get shit. You're not gonna get shit, bro. Okay, I think it's done deploying. It's available. Yep. Now we need to just get the host name. As you can see, the host name should be right after. I think this should be the entire host name, right? Matter of fact, I'm gonna copy this entire connect and external, and then yep, PostgreSQL. It should be just like this going forward. Delete it up to here. Drop this. Now, this is the entire connection string. PostgreSQL. We have the user. Go ahead and grab the user. We have the password. Go ahead and grab the password. Now the user is here. All right. Wait, why is it written filled with T? What the hell is this? Oh, this is filter block. Why can't I see it, bruh? From Virginia here, can I just turn it like this? All right, cool. So we have this entire connection string. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna try it with this now. If it fails, it fails, man. Let's look at this. Okay. By default, we have this in dev. Okay, dev, we don't have to stress about it. So this is the only one we have to care about. We have the data source URL, the data source user, the data source password. Let's try it now. Let's try and then we'll try this profile. Okay, we need to export that variable. My bad, we need to go and export this. Okay, let me try to export the data source URL. I think this is okay now, right? We can just keep it like this, and then we paste this entire data source URL up to here. Okay, paste this shit here, remove this cap and export it like that. Then let's now do mvn maven. Okay. Oh Lord. All right. So let's try this new thing. Let's say I wanna connect to render using Spring Boot. Give me all the exports for this envs. Okay, continue with Google. Boys, we're trying a new AI. Bro. People are saying is the dopest. What's this? Free trial? No, maybe later, bro. I don't have time for that. Just send this. Whoa. Okay. All right, let's copy this. Let's go. Let's export this, and then now let's say mvm. What the hell, bro? Why would it be this? Why would it be this hard, man? Oh shit. Yo, anybody in the chat who knows how to deploy a goddamn Spring Boot application, bro? This shit is super hard, man. What's really going on? I've tried like two databases now. tell the driver to use SSL, and because render uses a self-signed certification, acceptance certification. Alright, bro, let's try it. Let's try it. Oh my god. Make sure the port is 5432, renders externalities. Which port again? Verify from the machine. Hold on, let me see. Which port do we have to worry about? If we go to render, alright, we have we have the port here, and this is the database, this is the username, this is the password. So what do we have to worry about? I don't know. I just don't know. God. Okay, let's do this. Boys, I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna give up. I swear, I'm gonna give up. I've tried everything, every single AI, everything you can think of now. Jesus Christ, why would this be this hard? Why would it be this hard? Okay, let's copy this, paste this. Hey, anybody who's a Spring Boot dev here, I need to know. I need to learn this, bro. But as soon as I learn it, bro, it's over for you guys. Okay, I think that is it. We need to also check the web config here because we probably did some errors. Gemini probably confused us real quick. Okay. AWS is not gonna help. If you cannot that is identical to the previous. Okay, let's see. If the variable is not present when the JVM starts, Spring substitutes it with an empty string, and the auto configuration falls back to the empty embedded data, which is not on port. Hence, okay, so you will see in the first line. Okay, let me see if that is true, because let's see what's happening. I don't know what this guy is saying, bro. Oh, in the first line, not managed. Let's see if we have that issue. Oh, it's written as, oh, it's actually null. I think that's why. PostgreSQL is null, right? That means the connection attempt failed. Jesus Christ. Okay, we need to now, the fix is to export everything or use the D switch before you launch Maven. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that, my boys. I'm gonna export all these variables and try to see what's up. Man, to hell with this, bro. To hell with this. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, I've given up, boys. I'm gonna leave this the way it is, the way it was. Let me go back to my working version. Go back to my working version. Okay, let's go back to my working version. Hopefully everything is okay. Let's go back to my working version. Let's go back to my working version. I think this is gonna piss me off. Yep, before I change to Neon, my stuff was working perfectly fine. Hold on. Wait. It was like this, I think. Okay. Filthy. Yep. Yep. So I had deleted this. I had deleted this database. So I think the only thing I have to do now is just go and grab this Postgres URL. All right, I just need to go and now grab this thing here, the host name. Pick this up to here, right? The host name, does it come with this? No. So it's just like this up to the port here. Let's remove this. And we'll paste the host name there. What else? The database is here. That's the database name. What else? Filthy username. Okay, let's grab the username. Paste this. Remaining the password. Let's paste it here. Okay. I just need to change this admin real quick. Let me just put gamer filthy at gmail.com. Wait, why does my neck hurt? Why does my neck hurt, man? How should it be? Wait. This is killing my posture, bro. Okay, gamerfilthy at gmail.com, prog filthy, and I'm just gonna have, okay, just like that. Let's keep it like that. And JWT secret, okay, that's all good. So I think this one is going to work if I'm not mistaken. Okay, compose is true, here's false, and that should be it. So I just need to go ahead and export everything here. Okay, I just need to export this, so help me export this. All right, everything else here, everything should be fine. I'm just gonna say, okay, export these variables. Okay, let it export for me those variables real quick. I don't want to waste time writing all that. Okay, we have export this. Okay, now we need to just run mvn SpringBoot run, and then just run for me the dev. This should run if I'm not mistaken. God. What's happening? What's happening, dog? What's happening? What's happening, bro? What's really happening? Anyways, let me try to run the local one. Okay, let me try to run the local one. So I'm gonna get angry any minute from now, bro. I'm not happy. I don't know if I'm just stupid or AI is stupid or this is just super hard. What are the two? Docker PS. Okay, now let's try to run the dev one. Okay, let's run the developer one using Docker Compose. It's gonna check for the Docker, starting it. So Docker's running locally, is running. You see, at least we have some glimpse of hope. Our local Docker database is running, right? That means we are correctly separating this dev and and production environments, right? We at least we have some light at the end of the tunnel. Now, the other thing we have to deal with is, oh my god, bro, this shit is hard, man. Okay, this is fine. It's attempting to use filthy block DB, which is okay. It's going to, okay, it's not gonna run flyway because we are in local dev. We don't need it. All right, what else? Okay, I think that should do it. Why do we have this in dev as well? Wait, does it mean we should hard code this in dev mode, right? Yes, it's already here hard coded. Yeah, it's already hard coded here. So why do we have again JWT secret, JWT expression? I don't know. It's okay. Now let's make sure we have these things exported. Let me just stop this local dev server and let me just echo the not data source. It's not gonna show. Oh, it's actually still there. Let me try to echo this Postgres and see. $. Yep, so we are good to go the way I'm seeing. Okay, now let's check nvm nv. Now the production version. What's the problem? What's making it fail? To see the full trace of errors? Rerun Maven with the E switch. X switch to enable full debug logging. Okay, I need to rerun this with the E switch in order to see everything. But what's the problem here? Oh god. It could be that we have oh man, Kiri. Don't come with that shit, bro. Don't bring that negative energy, bro. I'm already mad right now. I'm already not happy with what's going on. You get it? I'm already angry, bro. Okay, we have this schema which is fine. God, why do we have a problem? Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay. Let's go to render. Let's go to render. What are we missing out on? External database URL. Okay, let's send this, right? Say, hey, we have errors here, okay? Let's paste it here. If this fails, I will know that, bro, this whatsoever the error is, it's not from my code. it's some alien issue. Oh god. Okay. Flyway. I think that's it, right? The next thing we have to do is make sure we have our .envs in place. Okay. And then let's try to run it one more time. And SpringBoot run profiles prod. Okay. So that could be a problem. Somebody said try rechecking your prod DB credentials, right? Okay, let's pause this for a sec as we also checking the credentials. We make sure the credentials are correct. So this is the URL. Let's go back to render. If you can see for a sec, this is connect, right? External. This is how we connect. the user and all that stuff, right? But we can come here and then, okay, we have the host name, then we have the port, okay, the database user, and the password. Now let me look into the password. Let me see. Password is correct. Database user is correct. The database is also correct. Connection. The credentials is not a problem really. I highly doubt. But let's look at the production environment. Let's see what's calling. So here is calling the, okay, Postgres user, password. Yes, I don't think there's an issue with them. It's just some alien kind of stuff. Okay, proof. Add a single debug flag and you see the variable that is not resolved. Okay, let's see. Look at the first line, you'll see, okay. Let's say we should look at the first line. You'll find Postgres URL, or in the property, the variable is simply absent. Okay. In the first line, which first line? Bro, debugging, this is not easy. Unable to start the server. Why? Why are we unable to start the server? Unable to start embedded Tomcat. Okay, I think the issue started from up. So this, they said from the first line. So let's see. Why did it start failing? Initializing root. Okay, this is why it started failing. Error creating bin with the name JWT auth filter. Wait a minute. Something went wrong with the DB credentials, right? So the actual issue is within JWT auth filter. Error creating a bin with the name this, defined in this. Wait. Bro, can you guys understand the error messages? Because it's kind of confusing. Does it mean my auth filter has a problem, right? Let's look at how we are calling this JWT secret. JWT, are we exporting it? I think we don't have it, right? We have JWT here. Yes, this is 64 base 64 string, something like that, that is created using OpenSSL. This is using OpenSSL, and then this is 24 hours in milliseconds. That is fine. Okay, we have the email. If the problem, right, from if I'm reading this correctly, error, if I'm reading this, then the error creating bin with the name JWT auth filter, we should be able to open this JWT auth filter and see what's really going on in the JWT auth filter. Okay, that means we are unable to create a connection string using this token, or what? Because if we go back to the JWT service, let's go to the JWT service for a sec. JWT, okay. So this is what we are creating. It's supposed to be JWT secret, right? Okay, let me first remove it and then do it again. Let's see. JWT, this is a secret. So since we are in production, we need to use the one of production. So this is production, this is dev, this is production expiration. Secret, this is dev, this is production. So let's pick that one, and also the same applies to this. Okay, let's get JWT expiration. Let's pick the production one, and then we should be able to export the other one that is coming from the .env file. Now let me remove this JWT, go to this. We make sure we're exporting this correctly, right? So we need to export this JWT secret and JWT expiration correctly, right? So let's try to do that again, and we try. Okay, export JWT secret, JWT secret, right? JWT secret is equals to, we can pass in, we make sure get this entire OpenSSL thing, copy it, and we'll dump it here. Oh my god, what did I do again, bro? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Export JWT secret. I think it's still the same thing, right? KPL. Let's just export this, but now we're exporting different credentials. Let me just export this. Say, hey, go ahead and export this. For this, for me, I'm using Mac. Alright. Oh god. Okay, let's export this. Then in the same terminal session you can run, for example. Alright. Let me stop this and let me drop this. That's okay. Then mvm, we run this production in debug mode to see what's gonna happen. Okay. Even with AI helping, we are unable to solve it. Oh, God. Let's look at the error message again. Let's see what the problem is here. This is outrageous, bro. Error, unable to start the web server. Error creating the bin with the name JWT auth filter. Oh gosh. Also look into our user repository. I need to look into the user repository. Alright, I will. Let me, you know what, boys? We are gonna go ballistic. Hold on, let me remove this things. I'll show you guys why we're gonna go ballistic. Let me remove this actually. Let me show you. We're gonna go ballistic. Let me open ChatGPT here. Let me goddamn open Cloud Code. If we fail this time, right, I'm gonna give up with this. I swear. I'm not gonna waste my time. It's okay. So we are gonna use 4 different AI. I think we don't even need any other one. Alright, this is fine. This is fine. See what the issue is here. Okay. So let's go back here. We'll try to grab this entire thing. This is what I got. You don't need AI, you just need to ping the DB from the terminal to see if you have permissions. You see, ping, I know that URL works. The problem is that the URL, right? As you can see, the device confirms that SpringBoot still never sees the environment variables yet. Oh. Okay. Now export this in the same terminal of prefix before you launch. Okay. So I think that could have been the problem. I don't know why we can't see it though. Let me see. Where's the error? How can we see it that JVM was started before the... Okay, the following profile is active, which is prod. Okay. It's giving us hope, you know? It's giving us hope. I don't have time to read all that. I don't have time to read all that, but at least we have hope, bro. Let's clear this. Let's press this. Yeah, it has failed again, bro. You know what I'm gonna do? Let me restart this entire thing. Let me restart this Spring Boot. Like the entire whatever. brother. This is an open source project, okay? You can go to my GitHub, fork it, try to solve the problem, contribute to it, and you'll be a contributor. Like, you don't have to stress, all right? You get it? For real. Oh god, we have problems after problems, bro. Oh yeah, I remember the credentials thing that you told me. Okay, we have it again. Even if we, let's see, God. Oh god. Okay. Help me debug this. And the issue is I'm trying to connect to my render PG DB and it's having issues. Matter of fact, I don't have to use that, man. I'm gonna change my mind in a second. Let's see. Choose one style only. Recommended, keep your URL self-contained. Or we split the credentials and we have this. I think splitting, pick one, re-export and restart. The unknown host exception will disappear and the app will start. Alright, so the solution is to keep this on self-contained, and then in our application we can just use this. Or we can split them like this, and then we can just leave this the way it is, right? Alright, let me just try option 2 first. If we fail, then we try option 1. Export that, and then let's try to run mvn Spring Boot, run it in debug mode. Let's see what's gonna happen. Go with option 2. Yeah, that's what I picked. Hey, yes. Bro, it has worked, man. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, bro. Yo, I was stressed, bro. Like, yo. Oh my god, I spell again. But at least we know. I know now what has failed, right? I think yes, it's the JWT secret because we did not export them. So now we know what's missing, right? We need to just export the rest of the secrets, which is this JWT and our front end thing, or even these ones. This is what we need to export. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say, yo, give us this similar thing, but we just need to export. Now let's export this. Boys, we are almost there, bro. We're almost there. Yeah, you saw it connecting right to the database. This is the kind of dopamine that I love, man. Dopamine. No, I'm not saying send for me this again, dog. Alright, I'm just gonna select this without this URL because I don't want to be in trouble, bruh. I just want to select this. Okay, I'm gonna ignore the URL. Let's get it, man. Coding is sweet, bro. Especially coming from somebody who didn't know how to code 70 days ago. Man, this is a big flex, bruh. Alright, let's go MVM, MV and Maven. We can run it just without a debug mode. So let's just say Spring Boot. Oh my god, man, my hands are shaking, bro. No. We are running now. You see, it's connecting to our external database. Flyway upgraded. We have successfully validated one migration. The current schema, yes, we are connecting. Yes, we are running now, bro. God damn, bruh. Boys, we finally deployed our database. I don't care what nobody says. We are connected. All right. The best part about it, we don't have to independently deploy this database anymore. We have a connection to this database. The only caveat is that we cannot be able to see our tables or our users unless unless we use I think we can even use this, right? Create a data source from URL, then it is Postgres database, right? I think AWS wrapper. Which one should we select, boys? Which one? Do we have it here? Is render here? Do we have render here? No, we don't have render there. Now, here's the thing though, boys, let me try to risk it all. I deserve a shout out. Yes, you do. The only problem in the database deployment with render is that it will be destroyed in 30 days and your users will be deleted. So yeah, I'm going to switch to NeonDB. Thank you. I saw that, bro. Render is just weird. I saw it somewhere here. Like your database will expire in this. Anyways, my brother needs a shout out. What's his name, bro? He's been helping a lot. Let me shout him out. This is X. What, bro? Your name is hot. I'm just gonna call you X, bro. X. What? Exercise? Woo! Did I pronounce it correctly? Exercise, right? I don't know if it's correct though, but yeah, shout out to you, my brother. Thanks for joining the stream and for joining the family. Another thing I forgot to do is add the Discord, bro. I have a Discord server if you guys want to join though, okay? If you don't want to join, don't join it. We already have enough people, but if you want to join, come and say hi, my brother. If you know what I'm saying, it's optional, my G. Yeah, Discord server is where we chill, we vibe, we share ideas and all that. So, alright, let me just go. I previously had some other Discord server that had a lot of people in it, but out of stupidity it got deleted. So we started this new one. We have like 40 something people. Not bad. Let me just go ahead and send it here. Y'all can join up real quick if you want to pin this. So yeah, anybody who's wondering about this application, let's just deploy the backend real quick so that I can demonstrate the application for you. But let me go to Vassal for a sec. Go to Vassal or Vassal or whatever you call it. We have the front end deployed. I think we only left with the backend now. We have the database and the front end ready. We are left with only the database. As you can see, the front end looks clean. It's only left with the database and the backend. 4 failed to fetch, whatever. That's okay. It's no problem. We can log in. Everything is okay. We shall just do it once we hook up the backend in a sec. So yeah, that looks cool. With time, I think I'll just purchase how do I call it? I'll just purchase a domain or something. So let me just remove all these ones. We don't really need all of you guys. We can stick with this, brother. So far I'm impressed by this Chinese thing here, this class. I have a suggestion, boys. I'm planning to switch this database to how do I call it? to Neon DB. But I have a gut feeling that if I switch it up right now, we might have trouble. You get it? I don't want to have any trouble. You deploy for free, bro. Back in, yeah, all of them for free. I'm not spending a dime. It's what? Sharias? Sharias? Okay, shout out to you, Sharias. Thank you for joining the stream, bro. Today is gonna be the last day for this filter blog. The next stream that we shall start going forward will just be building the new application. Let me just link it for you guys. We are going to build an e-commerce backend, a full e-commerce, not backend. Matter of fact, it's going to be full e-commerce, full stack, right? Full stack. It might take us close to a month. I don't know. It will depend. But we are going to build it in microservices. Microservices architecture. You get it? And we are going to use Kafka. We're going to use Kafka as our event distributor, right? All right, so that's what we're gonna be doing, and stay tuned for it, my boys. Whenever we drop it, we shall drop it. Okay, let's just go ahead and remove this. Okay, that's fine. You deploying for free? I think I answered that. So the question is, boys, I don't mind this data was getting deleted. I don't really mind like that, but I don't know. Let's go to Neon DB. Let's see how we can try to fix that. Neon DB, make sure we have similar stuff, right? Okay, let's say, okay, now it works, but I want to switch to Neon DB. How can we smartly migrate without breaking our application? Okay, I think we just need to pass in this, and let's see how it's going to handle it. Yo, boys, we're going nuts, man. We're going crazy. So let me just log into my Neon DB. Then we can just go ahead and create. I'm just gonna call this filter blog DB. We can leave it at 17, North Virginia. Let's create. Alright, so now we have connection string here. We can just select Java. We have Java here. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this snippet, right? Or we could use the PSQL. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. So let's see what AI is gonna come up with, and yeah, don't switch. Boys, I have the Discord server pinned up there if you guys wanna join. Okay, y'all should join the Discord, man. We be vibing. All right, let's go and see what's going on. So below is a zero downtime checklist. You can reuse every time you move the same logical database to another provider. Render, Neon, AWS, RDS, whatever. It assumes you only have one Postgres schema, no multi-tenant splits. You can tolerate below less than 5 minutes of read-only mode. Okay, it's okay. You already have a flyway liquid-based migrations. Yes. So we all have that, right? I think if we go and look at our fly, yep, we have it. We have our schema. That's okay. Prepare the new the Neon project. Create this. Pick the same Postgres major version you have on render. Copy the connection string. Which version are we using? 18. Oh, so we need to pick the same, right? Why is it written as how do I call it, as preview? I don't know. Let me ask here. Neon says PG 18 is in preview. Should I use it regardless, or stick stick to 17. I don't really care like that, bro. I can use any because this is a project I want to get up and running. Stick to 17 for production. User news 18 is available only as preview release on Neo, which means it's fully functional but comes with known limitations like potential stability issues, synchronous I/O, missing async performance, gains and whatever. Okay. Now I'm just gonna use 17 like that. You know, I don't really care. We're gonna use 17. So let's go back here and see what next. Then we copy the string. It already contains the SSL is equals required. Create the same logical database name, so your migrations don't need to change. Example, neon URL. Make sure the switch config only. Make the switch config only. Your Spring Boot stays untouched. We only touch the shell variables. Older this, then the new one is this. Okay. We have two methods of migration. Migrate the data, two options, small db, acceptable downtime. No, it's okay. So now let's say we want to now switch to neon. I'm just gonna paste this here. Is it? Yep. And we can go to neon. Then we just select this connection string. Then we just go ahead and say, hey, we are using this connection string. Where is it? Okay. Now this is the connection, the Java connection string from from neon DB. Let's migrate it. Then we can export the variables and test it out. Okay, let's see how it's gonna do it. Boys, what did you guys eat for lunch? Perfect. We'll take the neon Java connection string, map it to the same environment names you already use, and keep everything identical. After the switch, your Spring Boot jar does not change, only the shell variables point at neon. Export the neon variables, copy paste this block into the same terminal. Also, we just have to export this. Oh God. Wait. How did you eat eggs? Wait a minute. This is neon. Also, I just need to switch this. Okay. Now, okay, let's say, get me the clean variables so I can copy paste them first. Okay. All right. So, what is this stuff saying, bro? I'm talking about the variables. Okay. I mean, replace this up with the neon string. Okay, so JW is still maintaining the same thing, right? All right, it's still the same thing. We just have to only, okay, we grab this, go replace. Matter of fact, let's first take down this application, shut it down, then we can change, we ping this. Okay, we've changed everything now. Hopefully we don't have anything that's gonna fail, because I'm gonna cry, broski. I need to now go ahead and copy this, then paste them here. So now we have those ones exported. Now I need to try out what's going on. Let's say nvm in debug mode. Okay, hopefully it's going to connect. Hey, yeah, we start. yeah, we've started facing issues, trouble now. Okay, failed to execute. Boys, let me jump out for short call real quick. Give me a sec. Oh. Yo. Hey, okay, what next now? What's going on? Neon is connected, but the database filthy DB does not exist yet. Neon's default DB is Neon DB. You either have to create the Neon, the missing DB inside Neon, or simply point your app at the existing Neon DB. Create the expected database once. By default, I'm kind of okay with that. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. Oh yeah, we can just use the default one. I don't really want to create a new database. Right? I'm okay with that. Okay. Oh, that was the only problem? Okay. Let's go. nvm debug mode. Let's get it, my boys. Fingers crossed. Jesus, bro, if I tell you guys, this issue took me 3 days. I mean 2 days to solve, and we are casually solving it. All right, boys. So our database is up and running. The only thing we are left with is just boom. Application available state. Okay, availability state, readiness, whatever. All right. Let's go to Neon DB, boys, and let's refresh. I'm cheesing, bro. I'm cheesing. Good. So as you can see, we have our tables. Yes, we have our tables, dog. We got this flyway migration. I don't care about the migration like that. I care about it, but not as much. I only worry about my posts and my users. And we already have an admin user by default, right? The password is hash, yes. Nobody should see the password, boys. Only me should see the password, right? So we are good to go. All right. Now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to see. We're gonna host the backend actually. So that our application can be live. But for now, I don't think. Can we try to? Yeah, let's go and host the backend. So now we need to just build this, right? Jesus Christ, bro, this shit took us forever. Okay, so one problem is solved. I need to go to this and mark it as done, right? Our database is, we're using Neon DB and it's okay. Let me go and mark it as done. Okay, that is a front end URL. Now, DB is hosted on Neon. Done. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like that. or maybe I can just change this as a to do, turn it into a to do. God, what is it to do? What is it to do? What is it to do? To do, yes. Mark it as done, and that is it. I think the next thing we have to do is host the SpringBoot Backend. SpringBoot Backend on render. Wait, does Railway also have the issue as like downtime thing? Okay. Okay. Now we can go ahead and build the Docker file to host our backend on render by using the Docker file that we shall upload to Docker Hub. So walk me step by step as a senior dev, and yeah, I think that's it. We don't really need to do too much there. Okay, so prerequisites: ensure your backend Java is built. So we need to clean package, and then we make sure we skip all the tests. Let's go and build that image. We need to go and build that jar image. What? Yep, so I'm just gonna kill this database for now, shutting it down, and we can go ahead and say, hey, go ahead and build for us this package and make sure it is clean as hell. Yep, build success. Okay, now we have it inside the MVM. Where is it? Where is it at? Where is it at, bruh? Okay, could it be inside here? No. No, it's inside targets. Yes, inside targets, and then this is the jar file. Okay, so we need to make sure we have that jar file. And Docker is installed locally. Yes, it's installed. Your app uses Java 17, but I'm using Java 25, and connects to Neon Postgres via Spring. Okay, create the optimized Docker file. So as build, I don't know what that is. Okay, this is what it's gonna use to build. That's okay. Alpine, yeah, that's the. We can use that actually. We can use this to build, and we can use this to. Okay, so it's a two-way thing, right? Alpine shrinks the size. Okay, cool. What else? Okay, I think the next thing I'm gonna do is let me see, push Docker Hub. So we now need to build our, I'm using Java Open JDK 25 LTS. I think it's the latest version, right? So that means we need to just change this to as a builder. Okay, we can use this to build, and we copy everything. Then we make sure we also package it into a jar file, and finally we can use the Alpine version here. As we take everything from the builder and we put it inside our jar, and let's say this is the jar that we got. So I'm just gonna say no, it's gonna, how can we copy this? Let's say this is the jar, this is the jar that I built. Okay, I cannot press the jar there. But what's the name though? Is filter block How can I take this name, boys? Okay, copy. Okay, you cannot accept that. You cannot accept that. How am I going to copy the name? I think we have it here. Yeah, filthy blog jar Java. Okay, we have that. This is the jar that we built. Let it okay, so this is the update. Use this tailored Docker file in your project root referencing your jar. So this is all we have to do. Okay, working directory, copy everything and then run this and skip the tests. And then the next one is going to be this is the builder. This is what it's going to execute. Then it's going to copy everything from the builder, then turn it into the app.target and then filter block jar, and then go ahead and expose for me this. And I think that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Docker file and just replace everything with this. So we have that. Okay. Next thing is to test the endpoints. That's not our problem. We need to say Docker. Okay, now we need to build and test locally. Docker build, and then we put the username. Let's go to our Docker Hub. Let's go to Docker Hub for a sec. Now let's grab the username from here. Let's go to my profile. The username is Emmanuel Francis. No, my hub. How do we grab the username? I think the username is procfilter, right? This could be the username. So let's say, okay, so we need to make sure we log in first. Username. Now what are we gonna do? Docker run this. We have our data source. Nope. Let's go ahead and pass in our .envs. Now, yo Brody, what's good? How you doing? How you doing, man? We are going crazy here. Okay. So do we need to go and let me go and delete this first, right? Let me type sudo. Okay. I've deleted the database. Now I just need to create only the web server. Existing image. Then we need to call this from this Docker Hub that we are going to push ours to. So that means we'll go back to Neon. Let's see what's going on. Docker build, and then we target, right? We target with our name, and then we say filter block at latest dot. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen after that. Say Docker build, then -t. We'll put our name procfilty. I think it's procfilty if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Let me go back to Docker Hub and yes, procfilty with procfilty. You're my number 3 top channels for YouTube this year. Are you sure, bro? Are you sure? It's amazing, man. Thanks, my G. Filthy blog. That's the funniest shit I've had today, bro. Then we do this. Let's see. We are building our Docker file. Hopefully it's going to take everything. Okay. Alright. We are building our stuff. I'll send you the picture in Discord. Oh my god, bro. Thanks. Send it, bro. It's funny to hear that for real though. That means you're locked in, you know? Because your brother's locked in, like day in, day out. We just consistent with it. Alright. So this is gonna be our first ever application to start from scratch up to deployment. Crazy, right? It took us how long? 5 days or 6 days? I don't know. How long did it take us? Because today is going to be the end of Filter Blog. It's going to be up and running today. If there's anything we shall add, we shall just and I'm planning to add like right? Almost gonna add a social media vibe to it. You understand? That's my my next feature, to add like people can like your stuff or your blog and all that. Then after that, we're gonna start with microservices. Something has failed. I don't know what that is. Did not complete successfully. What's the problem? Why did we fail? Let's see. No compilers provided this environment. You're running on a J rather than a JDK. Oh yeah, for sure. We are running on JDK. I think we should just use OpenJDK. Okay, let's just use OpenJDK rather than using this Eclipse thing. I think it's gonna give us issues. So let's just use OpenJDK. Since we have issues here, right? So let's just copy this and press it right here. Let the AI solve the issue. You sent it on Discord? Let me check it. I'm super excited to see it, man. That means a lot for sure. Let me see. Boys, if you are wondering, the Discord server is up there. Go and join the Discord. What's up? Okay. Yo, bro, you watch KSI? But you funny, bro. What do you want from KSI, dog? KSI is so diabolical, dog. You watch Sidemen. Oh, I think you this type of you like to watch the streams, I think, right? Because they're funny as hell, especially these guys. I think that is UK guys, right? Yeah, probably. Okay, so we have guys. We have Unc. Do you support Lando? What are you guys talking about in the Discord, bro? Stop calling me Unc. Docker is a JDK, so we're gonna use the error no compilers provided rather than this rather than because okay. I'm not gonna read all that shit. Okay, so we're gonna use this JDK for the build stage, and then what? Okay, let's see. I think it hasn't changed anything, right? We haven't changed anything. We haven't changed anything, right? What is AI talking about? Have we changed anything? Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, we are using JDK here for the builder. And okay. I think we've changed something. That's cool. Let's build it one more time. We're going to say docker build at latest. It will just continue from where I stopped. Oh yes, yeah, bro, they're so funny. You know, what's his name? You know, is it Shanks or no? It's not Shanks. I think it's Chunks, something like that. Some fat dude. That guy is funny as hell. Okay, so we are continuing from the cache we had stopped here. All right, that's cool. Yes. We are almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there, boys. Shanks, the Nigerian dude? No. Chunks, the fat guy. By the way, Davido came to Kigali yesterday, bro. Davido came to Kigali yesterday. I saw my friends went for the stuff. I didn't go for the show, bruh. You know I'm busy like that, dog. I don't have time for all that shit. Gotta get money, bruh. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah, from Better Squad, from Better Squad. Wait a minute, Sideman. How many guys are in that Sideman thing? Okay, this is still completing, not bad. Let me look that up. How many guys are in the Sideman? Sideman, something like that. Look at YouTube. Okay. Yeah, KSI. Wait, did they split though? Did they split up? Cause what's the name of his brother? I think he has a brother, right? Called, is it JJ or something like that? I think he has a brother called JJ, if I'm not mistaken. The Sideman. There used to be a lot. Yeah, Deji. Deji is the funniest, bro. I like that guy. You know, okay, the build successful. Have we succeeded? Finished. Yes. Yes. So we can view the details. All right. So we have the build is successful. The next thing we have to do is Docker run this. No. No. Check should build success during this. Started this on run. Test call. Oh, okay. Let me just send this and ask. Are we good to go? Okay. Let's see. 7. Oh, there used to be 7, right? But now there are 3. Perfect. Docker build. Docker succeeded. Build succeeded. You completed this. Okay. So what's fun is that, do we need to add this? I doubt if we need to add this. Test locally? No, I just need to log in now with my username, and that is it. So let me just say docker login, info to log in with a different account, credentials with the existing account. Okay, login succeeded. So we have this proc filthy to log in with a different account, run docker logout. Okay, we've logged in already. The next thing we have to do is tag proc filthy at latest, and this is our blog, right? This is the image actually that we want to create. After we create that image, we can now push that image to GitHub. Not to GitHub, to Docker Hub. Then we push its latest image, right? That's okay. We make sure we always tag it with our username. Okay, fine. So let's go ahead and let's grab these 3. Oh, we can do it step by step, right? I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, but I'm not going to make all this look like this. I'll just call this filthy blog here. So let me just grab this. Nah, there's still 7. They didn't split. Okay. Okay, that's great. We tagged that already. That's beautiful, my boy. So we have to now just push this. We'll go ahead and push that to our Docker. We are pushing it to our Docker repo, man. Let's get it. You see, bro, our application is almost we are almost done. Oh my god, this is a great day. What a good day to be alive. Alright, so now we are pushing everything to Docker Hub. The next thing is, I think the last thing is just going to be here. We have to come here and then just add our image, and that's it. Then we can just add the credentials. That's going to make it. That's going to do it for our application. So yeah, everything is pushed. Let's see. Already exists. Why did we have to push this twice? Thank God. Okay, so that is that. If I go to repositories and I just refresh this, we should be able to see our image. Yes, filthy blog. We have our filthy blog image. So let's click it, and we can go ahead and copy this so that we can call it inside our service here. So that is it. We have that. What's the next thing? Now we deploy and render. We go to render. We have Docker, and then settings. The port is 8080. EMVs, we pass in the EMVs. Health check, I really doubt if we need to add all that health check and stuff. And then boom, we are gonna be live, boys. Oh my god, I'm happy, bruh. Okay, let's close this. Let's go to our neon. Here we just replace it with docker.io, just like that. Docker.io. Then we close it with this. Yep, the provided URL points to an image with an invalid platform. Images must be built with the platform Linux. What's going on? Which one are we taking? Public view. Okay, let's grab the public view. Grab that. I think this is the one. If I'm not mistaken. Bro, let's see. Yo, what's going on, bro? Deploy an image on Docker registry. Okay, library ngx. So we just, this is our image, right? That is our image. What's the next thing? Oh god, paste it. Let's paste that and see. Your endpoint. Why is this endpoint not correct, bruh? I think by default we need it to be okay. Library, then okay, fine. Let's keep it as docker.io /library/our. Oh my god, what's the problem, bruh? No public image found. It looks like you may be using a private image. Please add the credentials or check the image URL. It's not private, right? Is it private? It's public, bro. It's public. It's public. This is public. So how do we grab it then? As you can see, it's public. All tags are mutable. No. Here it's public. Using 0 or 1 private. No, this repository is public. Or maybe we need to give it some small time. Hey, how are you doing, brother? How are you doing? Welcome to the stream, bro. Bro, we are almost done. We are almost done. Okay, let's keep it like this. Let's try it again here. Credentials. Docker. Okay, I'm just gonna grab it. Prog filter. Okay, the username is prog filter. This is the name for what? Bro, this is optional though, right? Docker. Okay. Let me ask. This is the name. Your image is tagged and built locally. Confirm with Docker images. So should we just grab this? Is it going to work? Let's try to grab that. like that. It's not gonna work, bro. You need to add the credentials of your Docker Hub username and access token. That is if I built it in private though, but it's public, right? So it's optional, as you can see, it's optional. Oh my boy, what's good, Mubarak? That's the exact thing showed in the AI given chat. Tried once, I did. I did. This is what we have currently in our. Let me just refresh this. Well, this is what we have. Prog filthy blog. This is the Docker image, right? So how do we share this Docker image? That's the question. This public view. Well, I'm just gonna do it like this. Copy this. Okay. Let me paste this. I think you should have docker.io/this filter blog. I think you should have at latest, if I'm not mistaken. God. Okay, this is telling me issues. Let's paste this error message in there. I don't know why it's an error. It's okay. Just grab this, paste it here. Let's see what's going on. Render requires Linux, not your local rebuild with explicit platform flag. Rebuild the render. Oh, so I need to rebuild this with Linux, right? But mine is built with something else. Let me rebuild it with Linux. Let's see. Oh God. Yeah. That image is not okay. It's not okay. It was for Mac rather than Linux, right? That's correct. So we are rebuilding it. Okay, and then we are gonna push it afterwards. I think it's okay now. We are building now the jar file, and we are skipping all the tests. That's great. Yo, Mubarak, bro, how you doing, man? I saw your YouTube channel, bro. Let me look for it, by the way. What's his name? What's the name? What's your YouTube name, bro? Mubarak? Is that it? What's your YouTube name, man? I think coding. Which one is your YouTube name, bro? Oh God, which one is your YouTube name, bro? Where is it? Oh my God. Is it done? It's almost. Oh, it's Mubarak Lewis? Okay. Mubarak Lewis, YouTube. Yo boys, yeah, if you guys let me see Mubarak like this. No, Louis with you, okay. Like this. Yes. Listen though, boys. Yeah, if you guys want to like cause my brother here, he's in the chat with us here. He's some great developer, insane developer with almost 4 years or 5 years experience, I guess, right? 4, 5 years or 3, I don't know. Boys, I should check him out, bro. You get it? He's making some good content. He just started uploading 2 days ago. That's nice, man. That's nice, my brother. Gonna copy your stuff. Just give it a sec. Nah, here, home. Okay, which one is which? I need you to hold on, Cantrell. You gotta carry on and don't fail. Alright, I think it's this. Alright, boys, y'all gotta go subscribe to my brother, man. If you guys wanna learn Vue.js, anything to do with coding, my boy got you guys covered, man. Let me shout him out real quick. Okay. There you go, boys. Y'all can check out this link. That's his channel. Let's keep going. Let's go and see if our stuff is built. Okay. Is it pushed already? I think it is, right? So let's grab this. Say, I think it's already pushed. Nope, we are done building. I think it's okay now. Success. Okay, push the Docker Hub. Now the only thing we have to do is just go to Docker and then just get this. Oh yeah, 1 minute ago. Okay, let's now grab this container, go back to this, and just pick this part. Yes, an error card. Where's the error? I think we can just connect, right? Yes. Nah, bro, don't mention it, my brother. Don't mention it, bro. We got filthy blog. That is that. And yeah, we're gonna need free instances pinned down after periods of inactivity that do not support SSH access, scaling, one-off jobs or whatever. So I think $7 a month is great for the backend. I don't mind paying $7 a month for the backend. That's like how much? Okay. Now I think for the paid version I would be better off using AWS, right? I think. Let me look at $7 to random France. Yeah, 10K a month is not bad, bro. For database, I mean for backend, I don't mind paying that for sure. Okay, now I just need to paste in environment variables from .env. Let's just go and grab the .env. I need you to hold on, Cantrell. You gotta carry on and don't fail. We got it. So what? We have our Postgres URL. We got our user, password, all this. Okay, I think that's okay. Then we can now deploy our application, bro. What are we missing here? Just delete this. Okay, go ahead and deploy our application. Wait, I need to put my wait, did we select? I need to select the free version. I don't want to put money right now. I don't want to pay nothing yet. Okay, yes, boys, our backend is deploying. Your instance will spin down with inactivity, which can delay requests by 50 seconds. There's a workaround it, you guys. I'll show you guys after the stream. I mean tomorrow. No, tomorrow is a Sunday. I think I'll take a break tomorrow. Maybe Monday, because tomorrow I'll be headed somewhere. I'll be coding still though, but I'll maybe just take it as a low break. But yeah, it will depend. I'll let you guys know on Discord. So let's see our application. Just use render free and use uptime bot to tackle 15-minute shutdown of run. You know Wagwan. You get it. We can even use ingest to just create a background job that that pings it every 15 seconds. I mean 15 minutes and stuff. So I don't mind really. I don't mind. You get it? For now though, but later on it's good to invest in yourself. Migrations applied. Hey, we're going. Just use render. Okay, I think I answered that. I don't know what is this unknown thing. Okay. Goodness. Alright, let's see what else. Okay, JPA. I think everything is going to run. Is enabled already. All the database queries may be performed. I don't mind. Let's continue going. Global authentication. Yes, brothers, we are up and running. We are up and running, and we have a user created. Brothers, yo, broskis. We can now access our Spring Boot. This is my first ever backend deployed, bruh. After 1 year of coding. Can you guys believe that? 1 year of coding. It's my first ever backend deployed, bruh. And it's straight as a banger because it's some good application, right? Yes, so yeah, we I think that's it. Let's see what else. Detected a new port. Is it done though? Is it done? Is it done? Oh, still in progress. Okay. Still in progress. Starting Spring Boot. Okay, not to profile set yet. Falling back to default. Finish. Okay, repository, we're good. Bro, this is just some good feeling, bro. Knowing that your application is going live. You get it? The next thing we're going to build is going to be a crazy e-commerce platform, a crazier one than this. Okay. Still in progress. I don't know how long this is going to take. All right. But we can refresh this and see we have, yes, we have our Docker image. Oh my God. This is just wonders, man. All right. We're good. Okay. Refresh this. We already have a user, I think, in our database. Yep, we have that user already, the admin. We have our posts. We don't have any posts yet, but yeah, let's keep going. In progress. Okay, JPA open in view. I think I saw that. Wait, why is it taking forever like that? Okay, your service is live. We are live, boys. Stop playing, bro. Wait, why is it going on a loop, bro? I thought I saw we are live now, right? Your service is live. Available at, yeah, so this is what we are going to use as our backend, right? This is the endpoint that we're going to be calling from our front end. I need you to hold on, Cantrell. You gotta carry on and don't fail. Let's get it, man. Yes, we up and running. I think it's okay, bro. What else? Why is it still in progress? Clients are popping in. What do you mean by clients are popping in? Detected. Okay. Newport 8080. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're gonna be up in a minute, my boys. Okay. And after that, let's go to Vercel for a minute so that we can. Let's make sure our Neon DB is also closed here. Let's go to Vercel. So our application here, we can visit it, right? Let me go here, visit. Okay, I think it's just here. I need you to hold on. Yep, we can visit it from here. Then we can call our backend straight. Let's go back. Boom. Yes, we are live. Our backend is live, bro. We are live. So how are we gonna connect to it? Let's connect from here. Boom. Outbound connection. Wait, how are we gonna connect to our? Okay, yep. This is what we are going to use to talk to our whatever. We're good to go, right? Let's kill this backend. Kill this entire thing. No. We're gonna keep this open because I want to push everything, every changes that I made to my GitHub. Right. So, matter of fact, before I push anything, let me go to my front end. Alright, we're just gonna have to change everything to render open. So this is what we have to change, as only this, because this is we're just gonna say base URL next public API. No, we're just gonna say backend SpringBoot backend URL. I think SpringBoot backend URL. Okay, paste it. That is it. So the next thing we're gonna do is just, yeah, we're gonna switch it with this, right? So let's take this and we can go to anywhere. Let's just make it easy, right, with AI, and say this is our SpringBoot backend. Or we can just change it to next public this and call it this. I don't know. Which one should we select, bro? Because we have a lot of places where we are. Let's start with the front page first. This one. So we have API based URL. We can just change this to .env springboot bam. So we can go now and we have to, what do we have to do? God, why am I forgetting this? Why am I forgetting this? Wait, this, anything that is here, is it going to be sent? No. Okay, so let's go here and see. We don't have to put it here actually. Let me just grab it here and leave this the way it is, and we can just say cons API. Oh god. So I'm just gonna tell AI to handle that. Like, okay, we currently are live with the SpringBoot backend. So let's split the workflow so that we can use this for production and this for development. Okay, for development, for dev. So we can make the .env production ready, and also make a dot, I think it's okay, production ready. So go through the entire application and make sure everything connects perfectly together. Okay, let's see how it's going to handle that. Ooh, I don't want to do this from scratch, but it's like so many places where we have to call that. So let it just divide for us the .env so that we can have .env production or whatever. Let's see. Current planning environment configuration, beginning work on splitting the environment configuration for development and production. Okay, so access to .env prohibited by git ignore. Okay, git ignore is let me remove it for now. Where is it at? Where's .env, bruh? Okay, this, I'm just disabling it for now, so I just disabled it in git ignore. When you're done, I will put it back. Okay, hopefully it's not gonna trip, bruh. Boys, if you guys are not using this latest anti-gravity, I don't know what you guys are doing, bruh. Because anti-gravity makes the work very easy, especially people like me who are not interested in front-end, bro. Okay, now it's coming up with a good idea. Now I have a good understanding of the code base. Let me create a task.md and implementation plan, the setup needs. Good. For anybody who's watching this is like, oh, you're coding with AI. No, this is not coding with AI. This is knowing what to do and letting AI handle the rest of the work that is repetitive and is very tiresome to handle. You get it? It's almost like me telling you to get the entire pie with your brain. You know, you're not gonna do that, right? A calculator will handle that for you. So no hard feelings. I should now notify the user to review. Okay, let me review the plan. We split configuration, so development uses this and production uses this. Now the current state, the code base already uses this consistently across 28 API calls. No hard-coded URLs found. This ideal setup, we just need proper environment files. Now, how Next.js environment file work? .env.local, local overrides highest priority. Committed to Git, no. .env.development, development defaults optional. Production defaults optional. .env all environments fallback, yes. So for Vercel deployment, you should set this in Vercel environment in Vercel's environment dashboard. This takes precedence over all files. Okay, so we need to take this and add it inside Vercel's environment. Next public API. Okay, so let's go to Vercel and handle that real quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this. Okay, domains, add a domain. We're gonna add, what's that? Gonna add this, no, add this and connect to an environment production. Okay, redirect to domain. No, this is actually production. Wait, what's going on? Wait, am I missing out something? Accept. Am I missing something out? Local dev, okay, get ignored. Production backend, okay. I think Vercel is gonna grab it from whatever that we create, right? Okay, so when deploying to Vercel, add the environment variables. This as the key. Oh, when we're deploying to Vercel, I thought we already deployed the stuff already. So I need to add environment variables here. Okay, fine. Add another environment variable. We can just add the key value pairs just here. I can add key, which is next public URL, and then we can add this render. Okay, let's save it, and yes, redeploy the application, redeploy. Okay, view deployment. Okay, so it's redeploying it. Now we just need to add this. All right, after that, let me build this. Let me try to build this. Let's first check the .git ignore first. Make sure everything is there. Yes, everything is there. Local dev. Okay, .git example. That is that. Then we need to look into our production. This is production, right? Okay, so everything looks cool and everything is git ignored. Now let's try to say run build to build it. Make sure everything looks good. Okay, everything looks good. We just need to say git add everything, then go ahead and say git commit. We can just use this as a commit message. This is going to give us, I think, deployment, something like that. Okay, add environment variables, configuration files, and update. Ignore to manage them. On prep for deployment. And posting. Okay, I think deployment is okay. We just go ahead and push git commit push. All right, so what's going on here? Okay, that's cool. If we go back here, it will detect it will redeploy it again after it detects changes in our git. If I can just go back here, then we go to our application filter blog. It should detect another redeployment, right? Oh, I think it's okay now. I think it's okay now. Let's just try to check it out. we up, boys. We up. Stop playing, bro. We up, man. The only thing we need now is just the domain and all that stuff. So we up, man. Okay, let's go to login. As you can see, we can literally log in, sign in. Let's try to log in as admin, and let's see what's gonna happen. I need to log in as admin, my boys. I think that should do it. Yes, I'm logged in as admin, bruh. Stop playing with me. I'm the first ever user. Bam! Let's go. So we can, as you can see, we have drafts here. We have 30 users. If there's anybody that I need to review their stuff, I will review it. So that is it. I am going to log out as admin. I'm logged out, so let's go ahead and, matter of fact, let me be the first to drop the first blog. I don't think I need to drop the first blog though. So let me try to log in as Emmanuel, something like that. I don't think that's okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna say Emmanuel3@gmail.com. Let's try to say the same thing here. Login, we don't have. User with that email doesn't exist, so we have to sign up first. Never. We have to sign up first. So we put the name Elma, and matter of fact, let's try to leave it at 1. Just one character is going to run for us an error. Just gonna say Emma this, and I'm gonna use this same password. Then I'm gonna create an account. It's gonna run for us. Yes, we have an invalid issue with the username, right? So that should be Emma. Okay, that is okay. Now it should run for us. We are logged in, and this is our second user. So as you can see, we have note, right? Your posts will be saved as drafts, and admin will review and publish approved posts. So as you can see, this will show you your total number of drafts. This will be, your total number of posts. Then you can create posts, and then you can view all your posts. So let me just create the first post. So just gonna say, let's go to AI and create this. If I go here and refresh this, you see first we have 3 users, I think, or 2 users, yes, an admin and a regular user. I don't know why it's not stored here. Why is it not stored here? We don't have any posts yet. I don't know why is that showing the users, right? I have no idea. Okay, so we're good to go. We are live with this. Let's close this render thing down. Close this entire thing. Let's close neon. Let's close this. Yep, so we are left with this. Now let me go here and say create for me a blog post of 2000 words about the state of coding today due to AI, and make it professional. I'm just gonna do it like this. Alright, so let's get a blog post running. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this, copy it, go to our application, paste this. I want the admin to be the first to how do I call it? But it's okay. Let's just leave it the way it is. It's fine. Let's go here, and then we can grab this entire article, go up to down. Okay, we can just pick this. The problem is I'm amplified. Come here to the rich text editor. This is wild. I don't know what AI adoption. Okay, this is a title. Find job market shifts is also another subtitle. Then the next one is going to be boilerplate generation. Okay, yep, boilerplate generation. What else? I don't know why we're having document all this stuff, but it's okay, bro. This doesn't look organized to me. I don't know if it's just me, bro. Okay, make this bold. Make this bold as well. Let's make this bold. I think that should do it, bro. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it as draft. Post saved as draft, and then we have the state of coding in the AI, in the age of AI, transformation, whatever. So the post is now saved as draft, and it requires an admin for it to go live. So let me go and log in as the admin, but before that, let me log in as this regular user. Okay, what was his email, bro? I think it was, the email was 3@gmail.com. Okay, save it. Okay, So yeah, we have one draft, and we have total number of posts. So that's good. Let's go ahead and log in as the admin. Okay, then we can log in. Now we have total drafts and total posts. So as you can see, we have one post to review. What's up, bro? How are you doing? Boom. Now we can publish this post. Okay, I kind of like that. Let's go. Boom. That's our first post, man. Hey boys, y'all go try it out. Okay? Y'all go try it out and let me know your experience with it. Okay? Let me know your experience with it, my boys. Okay, let me replace it with the pinned comment. So y'all go try it out. Y'all go try it out, man. I think with the phone it looks cool too. Right? Yep, everything looks good. So I need to just go and check out my GitHub. Oh my days, bro. This is super awesome, bro. I can't even lie to y'all. Oh god. So yeah, we are up, man. The entire week we've been coding, bro. It's crazy work, right? So yeah, both of the applications are now fully deployed. Front end, back end, client is here. The front end is deployed. I just need to add, some good readme, and then that will be it, right? I think let me even just edit it now. Let me just edit this readme because it kind of looks trash. Just gonna go to AI, filter block. Since you already know what we're building. Okay, I think let me just use ChatGPT for it. Because ChatGPT has so much context about me. I've been asking it questions since. Okay, filter block is finally live. Go ahead and create great readme for it. Since you have so much context about my entire app. Okay, that's how I love to use AI, bro. Especially ChatGPT, it has some crazy context awareness, man. Yup, a modern full-stack blogging platform built by Next.js and SpringBoot Backend delivers a smooth whatever, and boom. I think that is gonna do it. Deployment. I already deployed it though. I already deployed it, but I just don't have this, how do I call it? Wait, I think it should be .md file, right? Generate in form of md file. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab this. The project is licensed under this. I'm gonna grab this entire thing and boom. Okay, I'm gonna go to Grok because Grok is good at generating MD files. It's gonna go to Grok, generate MD file out of this. If you guys are new here, boys, you see the link up there, this pinned link. Y'all go check out this the thing that I'm building. Check it out. Generate, it's already live. Y'all can check it out. Generate MD file out of this. Bam. Okay, let's see. Markdown file. Oh goodness. Bro, is this markdown? I mean, give me in markdown format. Format is this spelling is not correct for format. Bro, is this markdown, bro? Is this markdown? Is this stuff drunk? I mean, it's for my GitHub readme.md. Oh man, what the hell is going on with AI? Wait, is it going to work like this? Is it going to work like that? I highly doubt. Let me paste it like that. Let's go to MD. Let's try commit changes. Can we preview? Is there a way I can preview? Okay, preview. Yeah, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Okay, let's use Cloud Code. This is stupid, bro. This AI is high today. Trying to get readme.md for my GitHub. Okay, I think it's going to understand now. Yes. This is what I'm talking about, my brother. Yes, I think this is an MD file, right? Good. Let's go and replace it here. Yes, that's the right one actually. I need to add my GitHub name. Is what's my GitHub username? I kind of don't remember it. Profile. Yup, Procfilty. I'm actually just gonna replace it like this. I can just replace it like this, bro. GitHub username. Okay, it should be actually, oh my god. Yep, just like this. Press this. Okay, makes sense. At username, and then we can replace this inner thing. Okay, paste it. Then here it's a Gamma Procfilty, I think. Yep, Procfilty. That's the name. Built with this, blah 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 blah. I think it's okay. Alright boys, we're just gonna have it like this, man. Preview, let's see how it looks. Good. You see that? Yes sir. We're looking clean. Let's go ahead and add this clean looking git readme. Good. So if anybody goes to our application, Matter of fact, I think that's gonna be the one we are gonna showcase here. I'm going to remove this one, customize. I can remove this. Then I can show filthy blog client. That's it, and then the backend, two of them. Okay. All right, so that's it. We are just gonna have this, and when we start building the e-commerce thing, we can add two of them here, and then we'll start applying for jobs, man. I think that's it, bro. We have our backend, front end. This is our client. It looks clean. Yes. Nah, this is super clean. It's super professional, boys. Deployment, everything is in place. Alright, man. Wait. Okay, yes, this is correct. This is fine. Development server. Okay, that's okay. How about for deployment? I don't care, bro. Whatever. It's fine now. It's okay. It's on. Good enough. Anybody can just click this and can get to our application, right? That's all that matters. So there you have it, my boys. We can refresh this. Gonna fetch on the okay. So 2 hours ago, that's when we created this. All right. Go back to the home page. That is it. Now dashboard. We have total drops. Wait, why does it still show total drops? Oh, we have my boy from Portugal. Are you the one? Why would you just say yo? You okay, I'm gonna have to publish it. Okay, boys, I want to publish. If you see your name here, right? If you see your name here, just know like you're a real one, bro. You're a real one. You should have used your name or something at least, so that I know. Right? So yeah, we now have 2 users. Stop playing with us. Oh, we have 3 users. Okay, so 2 other users plus me, the admin. All right, that makes sense. That makes sense. So publish posts, we have these 2. Okay, because the admin, I don't want to publish as an admin, but I think we're good to go, boys. The link is up there. Try the application. Log in right now. Every project you set this name. Filthy. What's the name of Filthy? That's my name, bro. That's my brand. You get it? Nobody should steal it. That's my brand. Yes. You get it? Let me call my girl, because she wanted to be the first user in my application, but unfortunately she's not. let me tell her. Hold on, let me tell her to log in because she wanted to try it out. Let me tell my girlfriend, bro. Alright, let's go here, and I'm just gonna grab. Boys, if your name is not there, what are you doing? Why are you watching the stream if you're not there? Okay, my phone is literally 11%, but it's okay. Yo, boys, as y'all can see, boys. Yo, Tia, what's up, bruh?
Miss you.
I'm on stream with the squad, bruh. Stop playing with me. Listen, we just deployed our application right now.
Congrats.
I sent you. I thought you were gonna be the first person to try this new application, though. But it's like my friends here, they jumped on it straight.
Oh, that's sad. But it's cool though.
No, listen, log in right now. I just sent you the link.
I was doing that already.
Yes, log in. You see, once you click the login thing, if you don't have, first try to see how you use it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, my first post. Oh, people started already, bro.
Yeah. Go.
Okay, I should log in.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Filthy does a bit dirty. No. Filthy does a bit dirty, bro. You guys are weird. Okay, Tia, log in and tell me, okay?
I'm doing it already.
All right.
Just wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Boys. Is it?
They're telling me that. Oh my God, it's so professional. Like I should add some characters to the password. Okay.
What do you think, bro? Of course, your boyfriend built it. You think I'm gonna build some trash shit? Come on, dog.
Not at all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, what are my boys saying here on Discord? Let me send it to them.
Oh, I placed sign up instead of login. Oh
no,
God.
you have to sign up first. You have to sign up first so that you can have an account.
To log in, right?
No, when you like, if you're new to the application, you sign up first. Then later, if you want to use it again, you just
that's what I'm saying. Later, then you can just log in, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me do it. I'll call you back.
All right. Boys, let's go, boys. Let's get it, man. We finally deployed. I think we finally launched, right? This is our first app, bro. This is why we are this excited. Finally launched our first full stack app. Full stack app since we started learning. Spring Boot. Let's fucking go. Boys, go try it. Go try it out. Hey man, I think I'm going to add like a little leaderboard. You can use Atlas browser. It makes ChatGPT. What are you saying? Atlas. Yo, I feel like the browser that I'm using currently is the best, bro. I don't want to switch browsers. What I'm using is good now. Yo, boys. My girl calling me. Yo. Tia.
Yeah.
Tell me. Huh?
I'm done already.
Did you make your first blog post?
No, I'm just telling you. I'm seeing like my dashboard, create and manage your blog post. Total post, post. Okay, so I can make mine.
Yeah, you can make your post. But me as the admin, I have to approve it. You know, your post will not just go live. I have to approve it.
Oh my God! Okay, wait.
Yeah, that's super cool, right? I'm talking to my girl. Like people on YouTube asking me like, who am I talking to? I'm talking to my girlfriend, brothers. So yeah, we have 2 drafts. We have. Wait, who logged in with my name? Filthy, love you. Okay, let me. Boys, you're supposed to log in with your name because I want to know, like, you know, the real brothers. You feel me? If I see your name here, I know you really mess with us like that. So let's get it, man. How about dashboard? Let me see. Okay, cool. I see we have total. Let me see how many users. Okay, we still have 3. Let's keep going, boys. What are you guys saying? Let me see. That is it now. Okay. Boys, we're doing some crazy marketing, huh? Buddies, this is how you feel like when you only build your sauce later. This is how you'll be feeling, bro. Boys, I want to see more drafts in here. Okay. Let's see. You say what, yeah?
How do I post it? Did I post already?
Let me see. Let me refresh it. Did you click publish?
Oh, it's published. It's up there?
No, like when you create post, right? You can see save as draft because you have to save it as draft.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, save as draft.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Okay. What did it tell you? You read the note that's down there in blue.
There's nothing in blue. It just says my post, manage your blog post, and then it says like
no, there is something down there written note. There's a little note I left for everyone there.
No. Can I screenshot and show you?
Okay, hold on. Let me show you. You can see that note. Are you sure?
I feel like I haven't even published mine.
Oh, my productive man. I love you so. Bro. I just saw it, bro. Somebody said, forgive me, brother. Please approve it. Okay. Let me see. Oh my God, books. We have a lot of posts now. You said, let me check it out. Bro, this is so beautiful. You said, my productive man. I love you so. I love you, my baby. Keep up the good work. You're so inspiring. Say the grind continues. Let's go. Yo, this is fucking good, bro. I'm impressed, bro. I'm impressed. Let's get it. Thank you, though. Thank you for trying out there. Man, I feel so good to see you growing popular day by day. I started watching you when you had like 100 subs. I think it was coding until I get a job day 9. Oh my God, my boy. This is so sweet. I'm telling you. And now you have 1.14K. I hope you succeed, Father. Bro, thank you, man. Like, these are the things. This is why I stream, bro. Yeah, I don't know. Like, this is the reason why I stream, bro. God damn, bro. Thank you guys for the love, bro. You feel me? Thanks, man. We live, bro. Yo, Tia. At least, right? Yeah, I think that if anything, bro, I'm hungry as hell. I haven't eaten since morning. I gotta go grab me something to eat. Where? I don't know. I think I'll just go to the coffee store or something.
Can I come?
You wanna come eat with me?
I don't really know if I want to eat. I just want to go outside.
Okay. Alright, I'll call you when I get out of the house.
Okay.
Okay, I love you, but see you later.
Yeah.
Okay. Quit the call now.
I'm in the chat, bro.
Okay, quit the call from my personal stuff. Let my phone charge.
Okay.
Boys, listen, I gotta take a picture of my brother. Like what you said right now, bro, is super. I don't know what to say. I really love that for sure. Alright, let me see. Let me take a picture of that. That's something nice, bro. Hey, Velma, bro. On YouTube. Listen, bro, I'm not gonna forget you, bro. You get it? One day I'll remember y'all like that. You get it? One day I'll look back and say like, damn, this is beautiful, bro. Can you see LinkedIn? Oh, you connected with me on LinkedIn? Alright, let me go see it. Let me see how the thing looks on the phone and stuff. Okay, this is LinkedIn. I need you to hold on, Cantrell. You gotta carry on and don't fail. Oh my God! Hey, this is you, bro. This is you, right? Java developer. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I'm just gonna connect with you. Did you send me a message or something? Nope. Okay, that's cool. Oh my God, bro! I can see like we have Osman. Let me go and let me go to the dashboard, I think. Okay. We now have seven total users. This is nice. Okay, boys, I think I'm gonna go offline in a minute because I gotta go eat now. I'm so hungry, bruh. I wanted to make sure I deploy this application. So yeah, 3 hours stream, bro. Stop playing with me. Thank you guys for watching the streams, bro. I gotta go now. Alright. So much love, man. Yeah, so tomorrow we're taking a break. We're getting back on stream on Monday. And we're starting a whole new application. We're starting e-commerce backend. So stay tuned for that. That's what we're gonna be building next. So okay, see you guys tomorrow, bro. I mean on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy yourself, and yeah, peace out, man.